before it gets worse. You can try to be a hero, but people keep dying every day. You can keep earning money, but your money keeps burning away. And it feels like the future's always waiting on the tip of my tongue. Oh, like a cat holding back till it's too late, the damage is done. State your peace, go ahead and say it. I swear it can't get much worse. Make a peace of misery, a blessing from a curse before it gets worse. You can try and change the world by showing everyone a better way, but the world's gonna do what the world's gonna do.